Here do mean in Bengali kori and I mean in Bengali ami. I is subject and do is verb. So let's see how the changing of time changes the meaning in Bengali. Before that, I want to tell, in English grammar we write I do a work. If we write the similar meanings like I is ami, do is kori, a work where a is ekti, and work is kaj. Okay, I is subject, do is verb or this part is tense, a work is object, I do a work, ami kori ekti kaj. If you try to convert the actual meaning of the parts, then the meaning will be this, ami kori ekti kaj. But if we say it in Bengali, we do not say this. We make some changes, like this is subject, this is verb or tense, this is tense, and this part is object. We write subject, then we write object, then we write tense. So the meaning is ami, that is I, object is ekti kaj, that is object, ekti kaj, that is object, and after that the verb part kori. Okay, so I do a work, I mean is ami, do mean is kori, a mean is ekti, work mean is kaj. Okay, ami kori ekti kaj. But when we speak this sentence in Bengali, then we will speak ami ekti kaj kori, subject object tense. Okay, now if you write this in your copy, then it will be very good when I am telling about the present continuous tense. I am doing a work where I is ami, this part is tense, present continuous tense, that is korchi in Bengali, and a work is object ekti, that is a, work is kaj. Okay, I ami am doing korchi a work ekti kaj. When I wrote here do, I do a work, do is kori. Okay, then we wrote only kori when there was do. But now what is the change is korchi. Okay, আমি করছি একটি কাজ. That is the actual meaning of this part. But when we will speak in Bengali, we will speak subject object tense, that is আমি একটি কাজ করছি। Okay, now we will change the tense again from here and we will check the meaning. I have done a work. That means the meaning will be changed from this part. Have done will be করেছি। আমি একটি কাজ করেছি। I think this way is helpful for you. I think this way will take less time than if we start actual the alphabets, after that words, everything, the grammars. I think that will be very that will take lots of time when if you want to learn the basic way. I think this way will be very helpful because here you just converting the English part into Bengali and you are learning the actual parts like I is ami, a work is ekti kaj, and you are just changing the tense. Korchi, okay, that was the previous was korchi, this is korechi, korchi, and that previous was kori. I do a work, ami ekti kaj kori. I am doing a work, ami ekti kaj korchi. I have done a work, ami ekti kaj korechi, okay. And in Bengali, continuous and perfect continuous has same meaning in every cases. Like I have been doing a work, আমি have been doing means করছি. That is a similar meaning of present continuous tense. That was I am doing a work, আমি করছি একটি কাজ. I have been doing has the same meaning, আমি করছি একটি কাজ, okay. In English we know this represent some represent a huge time, like doing from long time, and continuous is continuous refers to a short period, where have been doing or perfect continuous represent a long period. But in Bengali this make the same meaning. We represent here like in Bengali we just add we can add a word অনেকক্ষণ ধরে represent in English for a long time. Here you can see that I have written I have been doing. The sense is in English that I am doing any work from a long time. In Bengali we can say আমি একটি কাজ করছি অনেকক্ষণ ধরে, or আমি অনেকক্ষণ ধরে একটি কাজ করছি। অনেকক্ষণ ধরে the word refers for a long time. অনেকক্ষণ ধরে, this refers to for a long time. Okay, this present part is completed. So what we have learned we have learned that I mean আমি, do mean করি, am is are, am is are doing mean করছি, have has done mean করেছি, and a mean একটি. Okay, work কাজ. My handwriting is little bad, I know. You can get the real meaning of the words if you search in internet the alphabets of Bengali alphabets, then you can get the actual the alphabetic part, because if you want to follow my handwriting, then I know my handwriting will be I mean your handwriting will be like me, the bad handwriting. I don't want you to copy my handwriting, because my handwriting is the worst handwriting in the world, I believe. Okay, thank you for watching.